Guidetti Recycling System supplies you with complete turnkey systems, including the structure. If you don't have the space to install your scrap metal recycling plant, that's no longer a problem. The best solutions we offer are also the most complete. Don't worry about anything anymore. Turn to those who started first to build systems for recycling non-ferrous metals, electric cables, e-waste, CARFLUFF, compact and effective. Who, every day, designs innovative solutions to improve the work of the end users of our recycling systems. Call us and come and visit us. Bring your samples and see the live result. We will surprise you. We are waiting for you.